Tired of frustrating graphics glitches or performance drops in your favorite games? Today, we're diving into how to reset your Nvidia graphics card to its factory settings, a simple yet effective way to troubleshoot and optimize your GPU first. Open the Nvidia control panel. You can usually find it by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting it. Once the panel is open, click Manage 3D Settings on the left-hand side, then look for the Restore button. This will reset all the settings in this section to their factory defaults. A warning may pop up, confirming your action. This is good. You will see what changes are about to be erased. Click Yes to confirm that you want to restore the settings. Remember, this will revert all custom profiles and settings back, so make sure you want to do this. With that done, let's check another section. Click Configure Surround PhysX. Here, look at the PhysX settings. If settings aren't set up by default, that is fine. After that, click on Apply, and that's it. Your Nvidia graphics card is now reset to factory settings. Reboot your computer to make sure everything takes effect properly. You've now taken an important step in troubleshooting your graphics card, potentially resolving issues and improving performance.